Today we are going to tour 4625 West Stonecrop Drive in Santan Valley, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Santan Valley, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Santan Valley. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded home, built in 2022. This home has been well cared for by the owner and features a beautifully landscaped backyard, perfect for entertaining. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there is plenty of flex space to cater to your lifestyle needs. And as you can see, the bedrooms are carpeted and come with ample closet space for all your belongings. You will love the open floor plan, which boasts a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and an extended island, gas range, undermount sink, and pendant lighting. And the laundry is fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. And finally, here is a tour of the primary bedroom, complete with a spacious walk-in closet and shower. Thank you for watching the tour, and have a great day.